Hello. So once I see people watching me, I'll start. Anybody live, do put the comments so I'll know who all are watching me. Yes, someone is there. Hi Rajul. Hello Meeta. Good morning everyone. Hey Rajul, be there. Okay. Hello Anjali. Hello Sid. Great. So let's start. Hello Energizers. Good morning and हम आ गए हैं फिर से एक प्यारा सा संडे मॉर्निंग लेकर हमारे प्यारे से टॉक शो के साथ. Rajul Singh looking stunning as always. Thank you, buddy. Great. Is it? Little noise in the background. Yeah, पूरा खाली है मेरा कमरा, पूरा हॉल खाली है. I'll still check. Okay. So guys, relax and sit with your chai and coffee shoffy and enjoy the show. मैं हूँ जिग्ना जोशी, उफ चिक्स, आपकी प्यारी सी होस्ट. और as you all know, we meet lovely personalities and every time on our show. So आज के जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं, I'm so proud to introduce her. She's an army brat to donning olive greens herself. That means Fauji madam hai. She's a trained zoologist to becoming an entrepreneur. She's a boss lady at work. Well, she's a boss lady at home as well. Hi Bala. She sure sampled many slides. Let's invite Captain Kavita to know more about her life journey. So let me send her a request. Yes, I've just sent her the friend request. Let's see. Kavita ma'am, I have sent you a request to join. Let's see. So, how's the Sunday morning going on? आज हमारा टॉक शो थोड़ा सा जल्दी है, but that's fine. Yes. Hello ma'am, I have sent you request. If you can just accept. Yes, invite group members to watch. It might take some time. Yep. Yes.
Hi, Signa.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
Absolutely fine. How's you?
I am good too. Good to see you so early on Sunday.
Yes.
Good.
And
Lovely to be here.
good to see the viewers also. We have a lot of people watching us on a Sunday morning.
I can hear them.
Okay, great. So let's start
Yeah?
without wasting much of time, right?
All right.
Can you see the comments people are posting?
I can. But
Okay.
there's a lot of noise in the background. Chatting, isn't it?
Hmm, मुझे भी आ रहा है अभी, मेरी आवाज आ रही है मुझे इनफैक्ट, बट लेट्स सी, मतलब मेरे घर तो पूरा एकदम खाली है, साउंड प्रूफ है, सो बाहर से तो कोई आवाज नहीं आ रही, लेट्स सी।
सबको बाहर कर दिया.
नहीं, सबको अंदर कर दिया।
Okay,
Siddharth
let's
is
go.
saying some background noise there, ma'am. Can you please take care of it? Yes, from both the sides, Siddharth, we are taking care of it. बट ये आवाज कहाँ से आ रही है पता नहीं, डिस्टर्बेंस है, ओके। एनीवे लेट्स स्टार्ट, अपने आप डिस्टर्बेंस चला जाएगा।
Okay.
Great. So first of all, ma'am, thank you so much for spending time for us. And
Thank you so much, Jigna. It's an honor to be here, and it is lovely chatting with you. So I was
great,
very happy when I heard from you.
great. So आज मैं वो सब भी पूछ लूंगी जो मुझे नहीं पता है आपके बारे में।
Oh, clever. Okay, you more certain. Yeah, please.
एंड बीच बीच में मैं जो भी हमें ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं उनको भी हाय हेलो करती रहूंगी, राइट? हेलो
What?
कुमार सर, थैंक
Sure,
यू फॉर
sure.
जॉइनिंग अस। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ योर लाइफ जर्नी। चाइल्डहुड आपका कैसा था, कहाँ से हैं आप, एंड योर स्कूलिंग, योर इंटरेस्ट, टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट दैट।
Uh, Jigna, I have had a typical Fauji upbringing. My father was also an army officer, and I think. Can you hear me?
या आई कैन हियर यू।
Okay. Okay. So we have stayed in cantonments, moved from one cantonment to another, schooling one Kendriya Vidyalaya to another. So for all the Fauji's who are listening to this, they will understand what I'm talking about. And non-Fauji's, it is a very safe, beautiful, protected kind of an upbringing because cantonments are a different world altogether. And the Kendriya Vidyalaya schools, you have to experience to know what they are. There are no words to describe them. So it was a very safe, regular upbringing. And my parents were like simple people. Father was an army officer, infantryman, in fact, a disciplinarian. And from very early on, me and my sister we were taught to be very disciplined, sincere, and humble. So that is what I learned from them. And the friends that I made in school, even though we were moving from one cantonment to another all the time, saying bye to a set of friends after 3 years, making new friends, I think that kind of upbringing makes you very adaptable. And you learn
राइट,
to adapt, meet different people, make friends easily, and adapt to a lot of different kind of people. But through all this, the friends I had then are still my closest friends. The set of friends I had
हाँ,
in school are still my first group of friends.
ओके, ग्रेट। सो एक काम करते हैं मैम, बहुत लोग बोल रहे हैं कि डिस्टर्बेंस है एंड ऑल, सो
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
कैन वी यूज द हेडफोन्स और द ईयरफोन्स इफ दैट मेक्स अ डिफरेंस?
Yes, you'll have to give me a minute, just a sec.
यस, सेम हियर, आई ऑल्सो गेट द हेडफोन्स।
I'll get it just a
2 minutes guys, we'll just get the earphones and back. Gitanjali is saying yes, it's KV keeps you down to earth. Correct. Hi Nisha, thanks for joining. देयर इज नो डिस्टरबेंस. ओहो, मैम को फिर से हम कनेक्ट करते हैं. Guys, stay tuned. It's going to be really interesting. Come on, come on, come on, come on. It's showing me adding. Hello, Vaishnavi. Thanks for joining. We have Archana. We have Kanika. Yes.
Yeah.
Welcome back, ma'am.
Better?
Better. Best.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
So, chalo.
Yes. So, continue. So, I want to know that उस टाइम पे आपकी स्कूलिंग वगैरह जब हो रही थी, what were your major interest?
See, Jigna, I would be lying if I said that I was very clear what I wanted to do, or I was fascinated with uniform, or I just wanted to be an army person throughout. At that time, I didn't really know career-wise what I wanted to do. I think I was the usual 80-90% of the people that who didn't know really in school what they wanted to do.
Okay.
So it was only much later that I organically stepped into this career, seeing, of course,
Okay.
seeing my father, and uh, we had a very positive atmosphere about army at home. In fact, my mother was also in the military nursing services. She
Okay.
left early on, but both parents being from an army background,
Correct.
uh, it tended to have an impression, and I loved the army the entire life. The discipline that I saw in my father, the although he was in the infantry, which meant that they were mostly posted in field areas where they could not keep their families with them, and we had to stay separated a lot. But I never saw my mother crib about it, and she was always very positive. So somewhere that built an impression that this is the life that I also should have. So yeah, that's it. That is how interest I always have been. I have been very fond of reading. I
Okay.
love dogs, so we've always had a pet as a dog. So um, these two things basically.
Okay. Okay. Great. So, how was your college life when you moved into college, and how was it? At that time, what were your career goals? Means ऐसा कुछ कि तब तक आप समझ चुके थे कि मुझे यहीं जाना है.
साइंस स्टूडेंट थे, जैसे पहले होता था कि अच्छे मार्क्स आए हैं साइंस में जाओ, इंटरेस्ट भी था. आई हैव लव्ड साइंस. तो आई डिड माय ग्रेजुएशन फ्रॉम दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी. तो जाके सीधे अपना सूटकेस उठा के दिल्ली पहुंचे, एडमिशन ले लिया साइंस स्ट्रीम में. आ, ऐसे नहीं कि करियर बनाना है साइंस में, बस इसलिए कि अब
Okay.
क्या करें, चलो बीएससी
कुछ
कर
तो
लेते
करना
हैं
है.
अभी के लिए. अब 3 साल के लिए तो निपटे, चलो बीएससी करते हैं. So
So
took
easy.
admission.
Otherwise, people think यार साइंस मतलब लूं कि नहीं लूं.
नहीं बाबा,
उसमें भी लोग
डॉक्टर
सोचते
टाइप
हैं.
साइंस नहीं. हाँ, सो आई डिड नॉट नो व्हाट टू डू, पर मुझे ये क्लियर था मुझे क्या नहीं करना है. मुझे डॉक्टर नहीं बनना था, मुझे इंजीनियर नहीं बनना था. तो ऐसी कोई बहुत मेहनत वाली पढ़ाई तो करनी नहीं थी. तो दिल्ली में कॉलेज
But
में एडमिशन
actually,
लिया.
that helps more when you know कि आपको क्या नहीं करना है, rather than आपको क्या करना है.
इट कीप्स गेटिंग ऑर्गेनिकली सॉर्टेड आउट कि धीरे धीरे ये
हाँ,
नहीं करना, ये
yes,
नहीं करना, तो ये
yes,
करना है.
true.
तो दिल्ली में क्वाइट कॉन्ट्ररी टू द इमेज दैट इज देयर कि जीयू में गए तो बहुत मस्ती करी और खूब घूमे फिरे. मैंने जितनी स्कूल में पढ़ाई नहीं करी थी उतनी कॉलेज में करनी पड़ गई. आई सिलेक्टेड सच अ कोर्स, जुआलॉजी ऑनर्स. सुबह से रात तक
Oh,
लैब्स में, पढ़ाई में. आवर टीचर्स वर वर्स देन आवर स्कूल टीचर्स, गॉड ब्लेस देम. मतलब दे वर वेरी, दे मेड अस वर्क हार्ड. तो फिर 3 साल बहुत पढ़ाई और करी. छुट्टी नहीं मिली कि चलो अब दिल्ली आ गए, कॉलेज में आ गए तो छुट्टी है.
hmm.
So after that, I was still not very clear what to do. कि अब खत्म हो रही है
Okay.
ग्रेजुएशन, अब क्या. So that is the time that they started taking lady officers into the army, and my father
Okay.
found out about it, and he told me that this is what you can do. तो होता क्या था कि when we were in school, 4, 5 of my classmates used to come to my father in the evenings, and he used to coach them for the entrance to the Army Academy, NDA. So he used to coach
Right.
them in the evening, telling them what to do, how to prepare. And I was very
Right.
fascinated by all that he was telling them. Always
Okay.
knowing that this is not an option for me, girls can't go. So when in graduation, my father told me that finally girls can join. So I did
Wow.
not think twice. I said, "Wow, this is sorted then." ना तो मुझे इतना पढ़ना था, ना मुझे engineering, doctor करना था, and this is the life I've always loved. तो चलो भगवान ने सही टाइम पे खोल दिया, नहीं तो अब समझ नहीं आता क्या करना है. So, so hence
Okay.
I filled up the forms, and I got called for the interview.
Okay. Great.
That is the
So
story of
how
career selection.
क्यों मतलब बहुत स्मूथ था ना अदरवाइज कंपेयर टू व्हाट अदर पीपल डू दैट जूझते हैं जब ऐसे मोड पे ऐसे एज में स्पेशली
I think I've
बट
been lucky.
ग्रेट लकी गुड
Everything fell into place at the right time.
नाइस सो आपके हाउ वाज योर इंटरव्यू वाला एक्सपीरियंस
Oh, yes, that is something once in a lifetime kind of an experience. You go there with your bag, and they allot you barracks like you're already in Fauj, they treat you like that. So
ओके
you stay there for 2, 3 days, and there are various parameters, very scientific parameters on which they test you. They test you
ओके
on your mainly on your psychology, on your leadership skills,
ओके ओके
and of course your general instincts and your behavior and your team spirit, how you deal with people and everything. So over a period of 2, 3 days, they put you through a lot of exercises and tasks and routines that they give. तो
ओके
उसके बाद मैंने तो बहुत एंजॉय किया. मैंने सुना था अपने क्लासमेट्स को, पापा को ट्रेन करते हुए कि ऐसे होगा वैसे होगा, तो मेरे सामने वो सब पड़ा था. आई बीन ओके, आई बीन व्हाट इन फौज वी कॉल अ कीम कुमार, कहते हैं ना, हर चीज में वॉलंटियर, मैं सबसे पहले, राइट. सो मौका मिल गया वहां, जो टास्क सामने रखो सर. तो आई वाज
ओके
सो कीन कि मुझे लग रहा था ये टास्क तो कम है और नहीं करा रहे. So it was fun for me, and I got selected in my first attempt. Uh, I know now, reflecting back, that it is a very scientific and difficult kind of a testing procedure. They
ओके
test you physically also, for which I wasn't prepared, but वो जोश में निकल गया पार. सारे obstacle course एक बार कराते हैं, तो वो पहले मैंने नहीं किया था, but मजा आया करने में इसको. So I kind of kept enjoying whatever I was doing,
एंजॉय
so I made it. Yeah.
तो उस टाइम पे बाकी जो आपके आपके साथ जो थे उनका क्या हाल था वो दे ऑल्सो एंजॉय बिकॉज आई हर्ड कि वो बहुत ही कुछ लोग तो बहुत डर जाते हैं पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू एक्चुअली डू दैट सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक आपको इफ यू कैन शेयर हाउ आर अदर पीपल
See,
टेकिंग इट
one, you have to go with preparation. You can't always just waltz through life. So you have to be prepared. You
ओके
have to be physically fit. You can't be unfit and expect to clear it, right? So once you're physically
करेक्ट
fit and you've done a little bit of preparation, the rest that will see you through is your confidence in just being yourself. There is no way
ओके
that you can pretend to be something else, because there are very, very qualified people judging you every hour for those 2, 3 days. So
ओके
just after that, there's no point pretending. If you are the material which Forge wants, you will automatically be picked up. Prepare, be confident, and I saw a lot of them were not confident. Uh, some were naturally good at it. They got selected with me. There were four of us from that batch who got selected actually. So who were my course-mates, who are my course-mates rather. We did the training together and we are course-mates. So
ओके
some people do find it difficult. बट फौज ऐसी जगह है कि उसके लिए आप सिर्फ पढ़ पढ़ कर पास नहीं हो सकते. अगर आप में वो लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज है, वो टीम स्पिरिट है, तो you'll get selected. And if you don't have it, it is better that you don't get selected. You'll be a misfit.
Okay. And you might regret later. कहाँ आ गए?
You will, it's better to get into a career that suits you, and not just because you wanted to go there. So it's a very robust
Right.
selection procedure. Let it do its work.
Right. So I think जो हमारे young buddies हैं who aspire to go to Indian Army, उनके लिए ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा helpful रहेगा. If you can share some more tips for them, it will be really helpful.
हाँ.
अभी जो जाना चाहते हैं.
See, I would highly recommend that as a career. First of all, there is no life like the army life. They जैसे वो हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, बंदा बना देते हैं. So it goes for men, that they for women also, that they really bring the best out in you. So one, definitely try for it. It is a very good career option. Second, like I said before, find out about it. Now there are proper formal trainings available. Prepare for it. Understand what the requirement is during these tests and prepare accordingly. Be physically fit. And मैंने पहले ही बोला, then onwards be confident and let the process take its due course. You will make it.
Right. Great. So इतना ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस हम जानना चाहेंगे आपका फौज का, एंड some precious memories if you can share with us.
Oh, lots. I got commissioned very early, Jigna. I joined the academy when I was not even 21 years. So when I got commissioned, I was barely 21 years old. So everything was as it is new at that age, and I think it was a wonderful experience. There are a lot of debates going on now. A lot of detractors who say कि it is not easy for women in the army. I was amongst the first batches. 4-5 साल हुए थे when I joined army, since they'd started taking women, and I think it was just as difficult as it is anywhere outside. It is not that specifically things were made more difficult. Uh, so you have the usual challenges that you would face anywhere, even if you're working outside in the civil sector. You have to just be yourself, give your best, be professional, and do not be overly sensitive. अब फौज ज्वाइन किया है, तुम हर चीज में छोटी छोटी बात पे हुआ करके कोने में रोने नहीं बैठ सकते. Come on, you can't expect कि सब
Okay.
तुम्हारा ज्यादा ध्यान रखेंगे. For sure, there will be people who will be biased against you, but वो तो बाहर भी होता है. So please do not. I mean, I would recommend to everybody that do not blame the organization. It is one of the most professional organizations there is. At least there is a system, there's a method to everything. When I have worked in the army and I have worked outside, so दोनों जगह प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, अपनी अपनी टाइप की प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. So फौज में काम करना was amazing. I had just started working, so I was learning to work. कॉलेज के बाद की काम भी करना होता है, वो भी फौजी तरीके से काम करना होता है. So a lot of memories. I don't know where to start. And during that period only, I happened to meet my husband. I got married. I had my daughter. So
Okay.
so one difficult part was that when my daughter was just about 8 months old, that time our unit had to move to the Rajasthan border. That time there was operation called Op Parakram, and everybody was deployed. We were on the verge of a war, threatening position, right? So I had to move out, and fortunately, my husband's unit did not move, so he was at home, so he could take care of my daughter. But I did not get to see her for almost 5 months. and I missed her first
Oh,
birthday. So that was
oh
one
my
difficult
God.
part. When I came back after 5 months, I was not even sure she would recognize me. So that part was difficult, but
Yeah,
still nice. Just one of those experiences.
that's a big thing, ma'am. Great.
लॉन्ग
Also
टर्म
share
में
some
कोई बिग
fun
नहीं है चलता
moments.
है.
लॉन्ग टर्म में नहीं है बट
हाँ
उस टाइम पे बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट रहता है वो आई एम श्योर.
हाँ, it was uh, फन की फनी. फन तो सारा ही
एनीथिंग
था.
वी एंजॉय एनीथिंग.
Fun though, Fauji, life is such that I have loved that life. So everything for me was very nice. Uh,
ओके.
Funny was, okay, what do I recall offhand? Okay,
आई एम श्योर बहुत
you
सारी
know,
है उसमें से आप एक चूज नहीं कर पाएंगी बट वट एवर कम्स टू योर
but
माइंड
I
राइट नाउ
have
यू कैन
always
शेयर.
kept, short here. So one was that, and I used to love it. वो फौज में ना बार्बर होते हैं. They come on Sundays. वो फौजी बार्बर टिपिकल. वो आपको आपके कमरे के बाहर ही वहाँ सफेद शीट लगा के अच्छे से छोटा सा हेयर कट बिल्कुल फौजी टाइप कटोरा कट देके and they do the chumpy and go. So that is usually
अच्छा.
done by men and male officers. But I had short hair and I enjoyed that. तो वो it was once that my husband was coming over to meet me. हमने Sunday को मिलना था. He was posted somewhere else, so we were meeting after 3-4 months. So I said, चलो आज haircut लेते हैं जल्दी से. हाँ तो मैंने and I was telling him the previous evening कि yeah, I'll take a haircut and all and be ready. We'll meet at this time. So मैंने अपने कमरे में we have these rooms allotted. मैंने बार्बर को फोन करके बुलाया कि भेजो बार्बर. तो बार्बर आया और वो बैठ के बाहर मेरा यूजुअल हेयर कट कर रहा है चंपी कर रहा है जैसे वो बंदों की करता है एंड माय हस्बैंड happened to come early. So he's like, this is what you said when you said you were getting ready. वो जैसे आदमियों का पीछे से पकड़ के मसाज and he was a scary looking barber. ऐसे
ओके.
देखो ये मैं तुम्हारे लिए तैयार हो रही थी. That was hilarious. He didn't know I used to do that, so it was
ओके.
funny.
वाओ.
नहीं यार.
Okay, so we have a lot of people watching us, and we have few questions as well. Um,
Okay.
would you, Siddharth is saying, would you like to share some pics from your army days? So yes, maybe after the session,
Yes, yes, I will, I
ma'am
will,
can
I will,
share
I will,
some
I will,
pics.
I will,
वो
I
बहुत
will.
exciting रहता है आर्मी पिक्स देखने के लिए.
I,
जो
I
who are
will,
non
I will, I will, I will.
yeah. So
I was
Gitanjali is asking which
hmm.
batch were you from? My cousin
I was
sister is
from the,
also in army.
I was from the 10th batch. We passed out in 1997. It's been 23 years since I got commissioned. Sounds old, no?
1997 में मैं कहाँ थी? I think I was giving my 10th exam.
I know it sounds old, but हमें commission हुए 23
नहीं
years
नहीं
हो गए.
नहीं. Great.
Oh, that's good.
Fiona is
Yeah,
saying
of
it's
course it's
great
great.
to know about you, ma'am. These sacrifices can't be matched. Siddharth is saying. Then we have Bidin who is saying, ma'am, you look like description Fatima Sana Sheikh. Bala is saying amazing, superb. Okay, let's go on. Itne questions the. So photos you can share it later.
Yes, we'll do
Uh,
that.
okay, so let's move on to the next question. So how different is an army life from the outside world, according to you?
Completely different, Jignan. They are completely different worlds. मैं फौजी कैंट में बड़ी हुई थी. मुझे सिर्फ फौजियों से इंटरेक्ट करने की आदत थी. जब पहली बार फौज छोड़ के बाहर आए तो बाहर आके सेटल हुए. माय हस्बैंड है was is also an ex-army officer. He had not left yet. I left and we came down to Gurgaon. We had a home here. We thought we'll settle down here. तो फ्रैंकली जिग्ना वहां पे इतनी आदत होती है. यू काइंड ऑफ लुक्ड आफ्टर. देयर इज अ स्ट्रक्चर टू एवरीथिंग. यहाँ आके मुझे दुकान से ब्रेड लेने जाने में मुझे पता नहीं चलता था उसको I didn't know the word that you can address anybody as भाई साहब. हमें फौज में ना एक वो भैया बोलने की आदत होती है बस to the सहायक
Okay.
that are their buddies. तो अब उसे जाके मैंने सर बोलना है कि भाई साहब बोलना है कि भैया बोल के ब्रेड लेनी है. वेरी ऑकवर्डली आई वुड गो ब्रेड देना और मुड़ के आ जाती थी. वो भी सोचता होगा पता नहीं कैसी
Oh,
खड़ूस सी लेडी आके सेटल हुई है हमारी कॉलोनी में. But it was a lifestyle change. You have to learn to
okay.
live in a different life altogether. So
True.
this is personally because वहाँ एक बहुत ही सेफ माहौल होता है. Camps are absolutely guarded, safe, clean, organized, neat, green, beautiful. यहाँ बाहर आके थोड़ा सा अलग
Yes.
होता है. तो पर्सनली तो बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. You have to adapt to it. And professionally, I would say I'm very lucky. I met the right kind of people. So I did not really face a struggle professionally. थोड़ा काम करते वक्त आदत पड़ी कि यहाँ to start addressing everybody, वहाँ तो आदत होती है with your rank. You sir. Everybody is either sir or so and so, captain so and so,
True.
lieutenant so and so. वहाँ यहाँ आके वो मिस्टर बोलो या खाली नाम बोलो तो people are not used to. There's the culture of saying जी, जो कि हमें फौजियों को नहीं आता. So
Okay.
it is like Sanjay ji. So वो बोलने की फौजी को आदत नहीं होती. So either you go formal and you say Mr. Sanjay, or you go
Yeah.
Sanjay ji. तो छोटा सा I'm giving a small example, but even speaking to civilians was a first time experience there. बाकी I was
Okay.
fortunate कि problem कोई खास नहीं हुई मुझे.
Right. Great. So we have Bala who is asking us how to be dedicated and focused like army people.
They train you. It is the best training in the world. मतलब फोकस तो वो सिखा देते हैं. आप ट्राई करो नॉन फोकस्ड होना. They will make sure you're focused. So it is a very rigorous training in which
Right.
you are trained to be focused, and since your life can depend on it, you
Mm.
learn it's not a joke. The training is not just for the sake of a career.
Right.
It is something that will hold you in good stead when you're in a very very difficult life or death situation. So focus तो वो आ ही जाता है when you realize the importance of what you're being trained for.
Yes. Yes. तो in short बंदा बन ही जाता है.
बंदी भी बंदी बन जाती है
बंदी
सीरियसली.
मतलब हाँ सेम बंदा बंदी बन ही जाते हैं वहां जाके और कोई टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं एक बार वहां पहुंच जाओ बस.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली
Great.
एग्जैक्टली.
Okay. So next is how different is the army life now as compared to the earlier when you were there?
सी अब तो बहुत ही चेंजेस आ गए हैं. लाइक आई सेड मैं तो एंशियंट हो गई हूँ. मेरे को कमीशन हुए 23 years हो गए. It has
Yes.
been now, wow, I realized almost 15 years since I left. But from what I hear, the changes are immense. Um, if I speak from the perspective of being a lady officer, women are far more accepted there. People are used to seeing lady officers commanding them. So men are used to being commanded by lady officers, and other male colleagues are also used to seeing women. So that makes, I think, life more normal, comfortable.
No.
But
Okay.
as far as the general atmosphere in army is concerned, the kind of charm that was there when I was a child and was being brought up when my father was in the army to when my daughter was being brought up itself was immense. And now I know it's it's not the same. I think uh, um, people have started questioning a lot of things more lately, which might be good because it leads to improvements. बट वो जो मैंने बचपन में देखा था या मुझे लगता था कि एक अनक्वेश्चनिंग एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ अथॉरिटी एंड डेकोरम एंड डिसिप्लिन जो था, अब हर चीज पे एक क्वेश्चन मार्क, ये ठीक नहीं हो रहा, ये ऐसे होना चाहिए. that leads to a lot of changes. And even the top brass lately has been trying to make a lot of changes. I'm sure not appreciated by a lot of Fauji's also. I don't want to get into that here,
Yes.
but
Okay.
yes, it
So
has changed a lot.
We have Siddharth who is asking, do they now allow phone and internet, etc.? He means that no chitti days anymore.
Oh, सिद्धांत, did you say? क्या क्या
Yeah,
याद दिलाया
Siddharth.
है? क्या याद दिलाया सिद्धार्थ? चिट्ठियां. We used to move a lot, and that was the only means of keeping in touch with your friends. फोन भी नहीं होते थे तब तो, so there was a lot of letters, stacks इकट्ठे हो जाते थे. But now, of course, phones are allowed. You cannot stop mobile phones or internet. There are restrictions on the use of social media
Mm-hmm.
that are enforced, but people find a way out. अब कितना check कर सकते हो? But that is one major thing that has changed the way Forge works or the way it is perceived by people outside. Because कुछ होता है छोटा बड़ा वो सब कुछ बाहर immediately आ जाता है. So
Okay, great. So, ये मेरे next question का half answer तो आप दे चुके हैं, but if you want to add something to it, then what's
uh-huh.
your take on new developments in army for lady officers?
See, right from the time that I got commissioned, they were debating on permanent commission for women. So for non-Fajis, let me tell you that when I joined, we were told we had an option to serve for only 10 years. And then we had to quit. But by the time we reached that age, they extended it to 14 years. They said you can work up to 14 years, but it will not be pensionable. And when we reached, I left before then, but my course-mates are still serving. And by the time
Okay.
they reached that 14 years, it was, it was in the courts, and the decision had yet to be taken whether they will be forced out or they will continue. But eventually, now the good news is that they have been approved for permanent commission. So that is a lovely thing. Yeah, and there is this talk of lady officers being inducted into the in all the non-combat arms except infantry, artillery, and armored, which is again a very good thing. And I there's a lot of controversy on this. I can go on, forever. But my side, there are two clear sides. My side is that it has to be completely merit based, not gender based. There might be a few
Okay.
things where women might not be able to qualify. They might not be physically fit. Let those people not qualify and move forward. But those who are able and qualified should be allowed to join in. They're doing it at their own risk, and they might be a good
True.
asset in today's environment where you're finding less and less motivated people to join the army, because being
Yes.
self-motivated is a very important criteria in Forge. So why not allow interested, motivated women to join if they're capable? So I think things are moving in the right direction slowly. It could not have happened immediately just by saying this is right, this is wrong, ऐसे होना चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं. It is a whole mindset that needs to change before women can actually be allowed to go onto the battlefront in the front lines and be exposed
Right.
to the enemy as the front go. As a society, we need a mindset change. वो धीरे धीरे होगा, हो रहा है,
Okay.
और काफी हद तक अब हो गया है. So, all positive.
Great. So now this was all about army, and army. Now let's move on. So with some good fun questions, right? So
तुम्हारे fun
yours is a
question से
love
डर
marriage
लगता
or
है.
arranged? No, don't worry.
There you go. Ours is a
So
love
love
marriage.
marriage or arranged?
Love
Love
marriage,
marriage.
love marriage.
No?
I met my husband when I was in the army. But romantically, we
Mm-hmm.
met at one of the 4G courses, training courses that we were allotted to together. We met in Bareilly. And और क्या बताऊं?
Okay, and it started from Bareilly.
Yes, it started
That's
from
great.
Bareilly.
और तो आप बहुत कुछ बता सकते हैं हमें, but चलिए छोड़िए.
अलग से
Great.
बता दूंगी.
हाँ बिल्कुल. So आपकी favorite movies? Firstly, do you watch movies?
Oh yes, I do watch movies, and
Okay.
okay, I was brought up on a healthy dose of war movies and Western movies and movies like
Okay.
The Sound of Music तक वहां से लेके war movies तक की range by my father. But recently, what I've enjoyed are more happy, romantic comedies or comedies. I have liked Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, something like that. ये
Okay.
जवानी है दीवानी कुछ कुछ होता है that genre, I enjoy watching
Okay.
light movies, happy
Light
movies.
movies. Okay. Favorite place or maybe travel destination, your favorite travel destination.
अभी तो क्योंकि मैं गई नहीं हूँ अब तक तो आई वांट टू गो टू न्यूजीलैंड पता नहीं कब जाऊंगी बट
Okay.
as of now
Okay.
that is travel destination. Otherwise I would love to go on a few treks. I think I've been very
Okay.
busy the last 10 years. और अब
Mm-hmm.
जब कोरोना आया तो हमने सोचना शुरू कर दिया कि अब हमें ट्रैवल करना चाहिए था और कोरोना की वजह से नहीं कर पा रहे बट आई बिलीव वैसे ही नहीं कर रहे थे बट आई वुड लव टू गो ट्रेकिंग. दैट इज समथिंग आई वुड रियली लाइक टू डू.
Correct. Great. Favorite food?
या आई एम नॉट फसी. मुझे खिचड़ी दे दो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. कुछ बहुत एग्जॉटिक दे दो तो मुझे खिचड़ी ही लगती है सो इट्स क्वाइट अ वेस्ट ऑन मी.
अच्छा आप
एंड
कुकिंग
आई
करते हैं?
डोंट कुक. नो 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 नो. Not at all. Not at all.
अरे बॉस लेडी.
It's not about being a boss lady. It's just that कभी किया नहीं. कभी
हाँ
नहीं किया
इंटरेस्ट
तो
की
नहीं
बात है.
होता.
से
हाँ, yes, yes. It's just I'm not keen on. I would love to eat what everybody else is making, but anything that anybody else is making, but me. Yeah, I don't cook.
so okay, so anything whatever is served is khichdi only.
खिचड़ी मैं बना भी लेती हूँ ना इसलिए. So I
ओह
spoke about
अच्छा
खिचड़ी. मैं
ओके.
अच्छी खिचड़ी बनाती हूँ.
ओके. ओके. Great. और so how do you like to spend your holidays or how do you spend your weekends?
I have a very hectic schedule normally, so weekends I like to take very easy. I love gardening. I have a lot of plants. Although I'm on the first floor, my front balcony and the balcony behind is absolutely green. So I love to garden and I love to read. So books पढ़ने में और gardening करने में पूरा weekend निकल जाता है. Abhi, I have time because my daughter has gone to college and my husband is not right now posted here. तो मेरे को ये सब करने का time मिलता है. नहीं तो बस Sundays to manage your family like a typical working woman. Family वाला काम सारा Sunday को. बाकी
Right.
Monday to Saturdays working.
Mm. Okay, so we have Siddharth again asking, army person you admired the most.
My father. Uh, of course, there are legends like Field Marshal Manik Shaw, but his wit, the guts he had, is legendary. I really wish आजकल की किसी senior हमारे senior army brass में उतनी हिम्मत हो जैसे उनमें थी. So he's a stuff of legend, but uh, close home practically somebody I tried to emulate was my father. He was,
Okay.
I think, the most sincere, disciplined soldier I have seen.
Okay. We have Siddharth again saying that sure is less inclined towards joining armed forces. What's your message to those who are aspiring? Oh, Siddharth, already हम मैम ने शेयर किया है. So, but yes, uh, for
Since
aspiring
Siddharth
young
has
ones.
asked, I'll quickly answer that
Yeah.
Siddharth, मेरा तो यही recommendation होगा क्योंकि I have been on the other side. I have worn the uniform myself and I worked outside. Please do not miss a chance to join if you ever get. Those people who are in the age bracket, trust me, it is a different lifestyle altogether. Please do try and join the army. Um, uh, it's all it's an amazing world that you'll discover once you join. This is my take.
Correct. Even for girls. So because Gitanjali is asking, what's your message to young girls considering joining army? I think the same. For girls, do you have anything special to share, Kavita ji?
देखो कुछ पहले से ही डोंट मेक अप योर माइंड विद ऑल दिस कंट्रोवर्सी. ये गुंजन सक्सेना के बाद तो और ज्यादा आफ्टर दिस रिसेंट मूवी देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ कंट्रोवर्सी. Don't go with a prejudice. Don't go with a preconceived notion कि वहां पे partiality होगा नहीं होगा. You're joining a career, you will face good people, good situations, bad situations. Don't think it's army तो मेरा मुश्किल होगा या easy होगा. It's just any other career. Just it depends on you. In every situation, you have a choice. So it
Correct.
your life will be based on your decisions and choices at that moment. I would strongly recommend that you should try to go.
Okay. So girls, you should try to go and consider it as a good career opportunity. Okay, moving on. So when you join army, did you plan about what to do after you leave, or you just went with the flow and देखा जाएगा whenever?
I was more of a person who just went with the flow instead of planning far ahead. So जब फौज में थे तो कभी छोड़ने का सोचा ही नहीं था. I never thought that I would quit. I thought I'll keep continuing जब तक अलाउ करेंगे और धक्के मार के नहीं निकाल देंगे तब तक हम चलते ही रहेंगे वहीं. तो बाहर की प्लानिंग
Okay.
तो थी ही नहीं.
Okay.
Unfortunately, for some reasons, I had to leave earlier. I left after 7 years only, so it was quite a shock. Suddenly, I was not really prepared about what I would do. But because of my father's advice and push, I had done an MBA through correspondence while I was serving. So that helped me get my first job when I left army. So
Okay. Okay.
yes, so my first option after I left was to okay, we tried. Me and my husband had decided अब फौज छोड़ रहे हैं ना तो हम कुछ बिजनेस करेंगे. पूरे खानदान में
Okay.
कभी किसी ने किया नहीं था बट हमने सोचा अपना कुछ करेंगे. अब वो ब्रिलियंट आइडिया तो कोई आया नहीं ऐसा कि बिल्कुल ही इनोवेटिव कुछ हो बट whatever we could we did try doing something or the other for about 10 to 12 months. And
Okay.
after that we decided कि पहले बाहर का you have to learn the ropes how things work. तो पहले जॉब करके एक्सपीरियंस तो लेते हैं जो कुछ हम कर रहे हैं वो एग्जैक्टली सही तरीके से होगा कैसे. So I joined an organization in Gurgaon and then
Okay.
worked with them for 7 years. And after that I started my own business. उसके बाद मैंने दोबारा शुरू किया.
7 years भी एक लंबा जर्नी हो गया, है ना?
Yes, yes,
So
yes,
how was
it
your
was.
experience there? So and how was your transition? Oh,
इट इज लाइक आई सेड जिग्ना कि एक तो पर्सनली ही फौज से बाहर का ट्रांजिशन अभी कुछ समय पहले मैंने भी डिस्क्राइब किया आपको बहुत डिफिकल्ट था बिकॉज आई वाज काइंड ऑफ आई थिंक नॉट मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड. कभी देखा नहीं था बाहर रहना
okay.
कैसा होता है. और फिर जॉब में भी लाइक आई सेड काम तो काम है. यू वर वर्किंग इन फौज यू हैड टास्क टू डू यू हैड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज डिफाइंड एंड यू कंप्लीटेड देम. Similarly, here in civil, you have responsibilities and you're working on them. Work wise, to me as a professional, जो काम मिला वो अच्छे से करना था. It was as much, just as simple as that. But हाँ जो काम करने का तरीका और माहौल होता है वो थोड़ा सा अलग था. So I took time
Okay.
to get used to that. Rest, I think, as long as you're sincere, hardworking about your work, आपको कोई भी काम दिया
Yeah.
जाए, I'm sure we can do it.
Yes. So we have question from Sandhya Dikshit. Hi Sandhya. एक क्वेश्चन हमने आंसर कर दिया है. शी इज आस्किंग, यू आर एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, व्हाट हैज बीन द जर्नी लाइक? ओके, विल कम टू दैट, Sandhya. Priyanka is asking, what are the criteria to join the army and how safe it is for a girl to think as career option? I think she's just joined. Priyanka, you can go through the whole chat or the video chat. You will get your answer. Natasha is saying inspired, ma'am. Oh, nice. So
Thank you.
Bala Subramaniam is asking, which places been posted and how was your experience?
I have been posted to a place called Gaya in Bihar. Then I was in Bareilly. I was in Delhi. I was in Binaguri, which is in West Bengal, and that's it. Did I take care of
Okay.
everything? 4 places because I served only for 7 years. So
7 years भी बहुत है.
अब सोच के लगता है कि बस it
है ना?
passed in a blink. It passed in a blink. वैसे हाँ बहुत होने चाहिए 7 years भी.
Great. So my next question to you is, how did you manage to start a new career when you were back, and what challenges you faced? Um, then, do you think this becomes challenging for a lot of army people? Like, अगर आपके लिए कम challenging था तो, you know?
Jigna, what would have helped is that I left quite early. I left after 7 years, and at that age, you're still very flexible. You're willing to take risk. So we came out with full जोश कि कुछ तो कर ही लेंगे, जो करना होगा कर लेंगे. We were willing to work hard and adapt. Me and my husband, I talk for both of us, and it was a big gamble actually. Both of us were settled. Both of us were in uniform, serving officers, and we both left. I left a year earlier, and then he left. But we just had this one belief, or rather, I would say faith in ourselves कि कर ही लेंगे, whatever it is,
कर
that
ही
we'll
लेंगे.
face it and we'll
कुछ
get
ना
through.
कुछ तो करेंगे.
We'll manage.
Okay.
So if you
Okay.
have that kind of an attitude, it becomes easier to adapt. And frankly, it's a question of at that age, you still have a career ahead of you. It's not that I retired after 25 years and I'm seeking a second career, which is
हाँ हाँ
या
हाँ,
नहीं
correct,
करूं.
correct.
I have a pension coming. I might not be very keen to work. तो जब सर पे पड़ता है उस एज पे और
Right.
काम करना है ही, तो you end up doing it.
Right.
It
And then
is,
the age
it
also
is,
matters, I think.
yes, a lot, a lot. So
A lot.
we left at an age where we were willing to work hard and adapt, and
Right.
it is not so difficult. Everybody is scared when they come out. But as long as you have patience and faith in yourself, things fall in place for everybody.
हाँ, then धीरे धीरे लगता है कि हाँ सिविलियंस इतने भी बुरे नहीं है.
नहीं, civilians बहुत अच्छे हैं. In fact, I'm very very lucky that in my business, it's a partnership firm. I have partners, Vikas and Manish. So they still tease me. मैं शुरू में उन्हें I used to treat them as civilians. So
Okay.
they still tease me and they ask
Okay.
the same question that you say कि civilian करते हो, हम इतने भी बुरे नहीं हैं. But they are lovely, excellent people.
Okay. So tell us something about your manufacturing unit. Have you thought of it? Have you got the idea and how it happened and what exactly it
So
is?
Jigna, I will. I have a manufacturing unit. We have these big computerized embroidery machines. We do embroidery, bulk embroidery for export garments. So I am in the job work chain of garment export in India. So how it happened was when I left army and I picked up my first job, I was working with a garment export house and with their embroidery unit. So though my initial responsibility was to look after administration and HR, I got involved in a lot of their systems and processes, and getting ISO certification from them, which meant that I had to go into detail in all processes. So I kind of started enjoying doing that. And when after 7 years, I thought that it is time to move, do something else.
Correct.
Again, we thought, why not now, satisfy that instinct of ours कि अपना कुछ business करते हैं.
अपना कुछ करना है.
So हाँ, वो जो सोचा था ना जोश में पहले, तो सोचा अब नौकरी छोड़ रहे हैं तो अब दोबारा अपना कुछ करते हैं, me and my husband.
Correct.
So
Correct.
then we took bank loan, and in partnership with, like I said, Vikas and Manish, we set up a unit of our own, which is a big manufacturing unit. Um,
Okay.
and all of these export garments that you see in malls, these big brands, if they have embroidery, small or big, completely embroidered stuff. A lot of it would have happened in our unit slowly over the last 7, 8 years. It's almost 9 years now. We are one of
Great.
the biggest standalone embroidery units. I think should be in the country.
Okay. Lovely. That's great. So,
So
how was it when you joined and then कितने साल हो गए?
अभी तो 9 साल हो गए जिग्ना, और जब शुरू किया था तो लिटरली कुछ भी नहीं आता था, पर जैसे वही वही एक स्पिरिट था ना, कर लेंगे, चलो शुरू तो करते
कर
हैं, कर
लेंगे.
लेंगे, मेहनत करेंगे तो
Yes.
कर ही लेंगे. तो सब कुछ एक एक कागज भरना, बिजनेस की फॉर्मेलिटीज करना, और फिजिकली सारा काम करना. जब एक या दो लोग होते थे मेरे पास, आज करीब 250-300 लोग हैं. तो तब से सारे
Wow.
काम अपने हाथ से करना, सब कुछ सीखना पड़ा. बट चूंकि जोश
हाँ.
था कि करना ही है, तो सब कुछ हो भी गया, बेटर होता चला गया.
Yes.
सो and again, I
Okay.
will emphasize that the journey became easier because I did it in partnership. I cannot imagine having done or gone through all of that stress
All
and
alone.
all alone. And not, I don't know. I really admire people who go for it alone. I don't think I could have done that.
True. So, what other products you have? एक तो आपने बताया
हाँ, so अभी क्या किया
embroidery in
हमने?
bulk.
We were doing embroidery. So now when COVID started and we had a lockdown, so all
Mm-hmm.
these orders, export of course stopped. There was no export, so there were no export orders for us. And my workers forcefully had to sit at home. And we did not have funds to pay for their salaries. So we thought we have to do something. We have to start working on something to make sure that these people at least work and earn their salaries. So
True.
I had to literally lure them back as soon as the first phase of lockdown was over, called up every worker, made sure that they come back to work, कि कुछ तो करेंगे, वापस आओ. जब कमाएंगे तो खाएंगे, तो let us start working.
Exactly.
So now we started manufacturing cloth masks. So that was
Okay.
something very new. We developed a brand of our own. It's called Mask by Q1, and in fact, I do have a couple of samples here with me. These are
Lovely.
embroidered three-ply face masks
Okay.
we make. So we have put them on Amazon for sale, which is something,
Okay.
having your own product and selling is something we had not done. So it's a different ball game
Okay.
altogether. We just had
Okay.
ready orders of other people. We used to
Lovely.
work on them and send it. Now, this is really, really very popular in cotton. Doing well, selling these through retail outlets as well as on Amazon. It's called Mask by Q1,
Okay.
and it's spelled with MASQ.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we did a lot of hard work again. The initial call was कि workers के पास कुछ काम हो ताकि they will be able to earn and look after their families. And when you start doing and you have that sincere attitude towards doing anything, we did a lot of research on what is the best, most comfortable thing that you can wear, which is protective, looks good, is very comfortable, you can wear through the day. बहुत R&D
Okay.
करके ना we came to make a product which I can wear continuously without a problem. And after we were
Okay.
ready like that, we launched it for sale. So currently we are
Okay.
doing this, and we are planning to now keep coming up after the success of this whole product. We are planning to keep coming up with more beautiful embroidered articles. I'll keep sharing
Okay.
with you and on the
Lovely.
group also.
Great.
So
Great.
there'll be more things
So
coming.
we have Meeta asking or saying masks are lovely. What sizes they come in?
So, Meeta, we have two sizes for kids. One is early years. Actually, it depends on the face size of your child. अभी cheeks पे बड़ा
Correct.
आता है, तो two sizes for kids, and then there's a separate
Okay.
size for women and a size for men. So all
Okay.
together, there are four different sizes and a lot of beautiful embroidered designs. You can go onto our website or on Amazon and search by MASQ, Mask by
Okay.
Q1, and you'll get them. And I hope you like them.
So, ma'am, after we are done with the talk show, you can share the website link also in the comments,
Okay,
so it is
I'll do
easy
that.
for
I'll do that.
people to get through, right? Great.
I will.
So, manufacturing unit के बारे में आपने बता दिया, and so how do you manage different roles in your life, like family and entrepreneurship? So as you say, boss lady at work as well as at home. So उसके लिए कुछ tips दे दीजिए.
See, I am blessed. I have a daughter. She's now 20 years old, and almost 20. She'll object कि उसकी age की बता दी मैंने. So she will. She's so wise. She's so sensible. I mean, I'm blessed to have a daughter like that, and I have had. I've stayed in a. I've stayed with my in-laws, so I had that support at home always. Thank God, and God bless my mother-in-law. She's looked after my child for me while I was working, doing all that, and she's a one of the best mother-in-laws possible. She's fun. She allows you to do what you want to do. In fact, she'll push you.
Wow.
Why are you worrying about home? आप जाके काम करो. So she's like that. And my husband has been equally supportive throughout whatever I do. If today I decide to shut everything down and sit at home, he's absolutely okay with it. And if I say nahi mujhe char kaam aur shuru karne hai, he'll be like yes, yes, I'm with you. So that's what I
Please
have
go
very
ahead.
very good. I have a lovely family to look after things at home, and also I believe that the um, key to everything in life, not just this, is balance. So while the hours that I spend at work are a lot because it's a manufacturing unit after all, it's not just office. Um, but the time that I spend at home, I make sure that it is quality time, that we have fun, and that time I'm not disturbed by calls or messages. I don't even check my WhatsApp after that once I'm back home.
Lovely.
So you have to try and keep a balance, and it's fun both places then.
Great. So we have one comment. Where do the 4Gs get so much positivity from, even post retirement?
मेरा ब्लड ग्रुप भी पॉजिटिव है. Okay,
इसीलिए.
jokes apart,
Yeah.
jokes apart, माहौल ऐसा था. My parents my father was very positive about Fawaz, and we were never taught to crib. We were taught to accept कि जो है वो
Okay.
ठीक है. उसमें you don't you accept it or change what you can. Otherwise accept what you can't change. I I I I think और ऊपर से फौज ये सिखा भी देती है कि कुछ खास तुम कर नहीं सकते हर सिचुएशन के बारे में. जो दिया है ना वैसे
हाँ
वैसे रास्ते पे
जो
चलते जाओ
हाँ
क्रिप किए बिना. तो
yes
अपने आप पॉजिटिव होना
yes
पड़ता है.
great. Okay, great. So finally, message for all our viewers and all the energizers watching us.
Okay. In every situation in life, I think you have a choice. Just don't blame your circumstances, your situation. Even in the most difficult of situations, you have a choice to make, and uh, your life is because of your choices. In every situation, you could have had the guts to walk out of it. But if you chose to stay, don't blame it. Accept your situation, make a clear choice, and be responsible for your actions. Everything else will fall in place. You will end up blaming the world, you will end up blaming people around you, and you will only end up improving yourself, making changes, looking inward for improvement rather than trying to change everybody around you. So be positive and
Great.
be responsible for your actions.
Great. That's great. So finally, thank you so much, ma'am, spending time with us, especially Sunday morning with us, and it was lovely, very inspiring. Do check all the comments whenever you get time. Some lovely comments are there क्योंकि मैं सारे नहीं पढ़ पाई हूँ and I think सारे questions भी नहीं ले पाई हूँ viewers के. So do answer them and do share your website link, right?
Yes, I will. I will thank you so much, Jigna, for having me over. And in fact, I was recommending that you should allow me to do a chat show with you someday. There is so much to learn from you. No, I'm serious. Please allow me, huh,
Sure.
someday. I would like to ask you so
Great.
many questions about how you handle all this, huh?
Thank
Yeah,
you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
I'm a fan on that aspect. So thank you so much for inviting me. अगर तुमने insist नहीं किया होता, I would
Great.
not have joined in.
नहीं नहीं सो एडमिन्स भी हम हमें सुन रहे हैं और देख रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली वो आपको अप्रोच करेंगे.
मैं सारा बदला लूंगी तुमने जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछे.
एनी टाइम आई एम रेडी फॉर इट.
Okay,
चलिए थैंक यू
sure.
सो मच मैम. हैव अ ग्रेट संडे
Thank
अहेड
you.
and
Thank you.
uh,
Thank you,
do
Jigna. Thank you so much.
and keep yourself active on the Energizer group as well.
All right. I will. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am. Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Bye. Bye.
So, bye, guys. Thank you for joining. Have a great, great, great Sunday ahead. Bye.